trying to find the right balance between performance and price when looking for a set of headphones isn't always easy. And well, there's always the option of going the major brands that have, I guess, tried and proven headphones. And on that same coin, you're going to run into the fact that when you're going for these major brands, you're also going for sometimes major price tags. But do you have to go the bigger route of the bigger brands to get yourself a decent pair of headphones? Luckily for you, there are people out there like myself who are willing to venture off and go into the unbeaten path of unknown brands just to see if there are options that are good in terms of price versus quality. So today we're going to look at just that thing. We're going to take a look at the BlueDee BH200 Bluetooth headphones. These are a nice, cool, casual looking set of headphones that sport noise cancellation, which is fantastic. I'm big on that, especially when traveling. So I've basically decided to take these headphones out for a spin for about a week or two, just to see what the casual use and even professional use of these headphones are like, be it taking it to work, riding on the train, listening to music, on my commute to where I earn my real money, or whether I'm doing some video editing this awesome content you see right here before you in front of your beautiful eyes, or whether it suits the need of gaming casually for a certain amount of time, because well, you're gonna have your headphones on for a little bit of time. What do you get in the box for your $69 for these particular Bluetooth noise cancellation headphones? Well, obviously you get your headphones, and with that you get yourself a USB-C to USB-A cable and a TRS to TRS cable for listening directly to a device or any source. And looking at the hardware itself, you get yourself a nice, sleek looking pair of headphones, nice black matte finish. I do like the actual look here, with it mostly being matte, as well as a little bit of shine and bling there right where the headphones extend. And when you extend it, you do get that nice metal interior hard bracket. They do in fact fold up and fit into this little pouch, which is fantastic for traveling and taking it with you. You get yourself some nice soft feeling cushions on the ear cups as well as on the top piece of the head. The ear cups are in fact replaceable and removable, so if you needed to take them off for whatever reason, you can take them off to clean them or to get them replaced if they get damaged. 2 levels of active noise cancellation, either on or off. That's it. Along the bottom, you also have a USB-C for your charging, and on the other ear cup, you have yourself a 3.5mm jack. You get your up and down volume rockers. The up and down rockers also work as track changers. Power switch there, but that is also for synchronizing your Bluetooth. You also have the call indicator, so if you have a call coming in, you can actually press that sensor button. They do sport Bluetooth version 5.2. You get about 50 hours of playtime with these particular headphones, which is quite awesome. A 10-minute quick charge will get you about 3 hours of playback time. Pretty sweet. So currently I've been rocking the Soundcore Space Ones by Anker, and I find that these are a good all-purpose set of headphones, good for listening to casual music, video editing, and even gaming, as well as for even phone calls. And I find that the audio quality on those are pretty good. Now, I'm not the biggest audiophile out here, but I do know and can recognize good sound quality. Now, some things that were good about the sound quality is that, well, it's very clear. I will give it that high kind of res audio sound signature. I do appreciate that sound, but I will say that the volume is pretty low, so there was only but so much volume I can put this up to. I believe that the AirPod Pros, the earbuds, are actually louder than these particular headphones. Something that could probably use a little improvement with these headphones is the bass levels. I didn't get that hefty, prolonged booming bass coming from these headphones. They were okay, but just not what I'm quite used to on a professional level, creating content like this or listening to music. I've become a little bit of an audiophile, so I have kind of high standards, but if you don't know what it's like being an audiophile, then these will be fantastic for your usage. With regards to noise cancellation, there's only two modes. Either it's on or it's off. Now, in its off status, you get a nice hardware kind of noise canceling a little bit. But when you turn it on, that noise cancellation is also pretty decent. It will do a good enough job to cancel out a lot of that unwanted ambient noise as you're either listening to music, commuting, or maybe even gaming. You don't want to hear your wife talking. What? Now, I will say the audio quality of the microphone on this device is also pretty decent. I did test it out, and well, this is the audio quality right here. This is the audio quality of the BlueDee onboard microphone for basically FaceTime calls or phone calls, which I think the audio quality. All right, that's enough. Yeah, so as you can see, the audio quality of the microphone is pretty good. No issues there with making phone calls and talking on the phone. So if you're in the market for a basic set of Bluetooth headphones with a little bit of noise cancellation, then I will say that this is a good purchase where you would get a relatively okay quality with a decent price tag. And these are fantastic for going for walks, listening to music in the park, long walks in nature. Whether you're video editing like me, probably not for that use case scenario, but you can use this for gaming, whether it be on your mobile device or if you're gaming on a computer console the way I do, and for calls like FaceTime or standard phone calls where the audio is pretty decent going both ways. Special shout out to BlueDee for providing these headphones free of charge, and this is also a paid promotion by BlueDee. I do appreciate your support and your willingness to take a chance on me to provide my honest review to the audience out there. With that, I'll see you in the next review. Later.